Hi friends, it's Mari Clark here for a product close-up for the brand new Sending Smooches Trinity Stamps release. I'm going to be sharing with you this adorable Sending Smooches stamp and coordinating die set. Absolutely love this sweet little cupid gnome and the sentiments that coordinate with this set. So sweet and perfect for your Valentine cards. Here you can just see that I have the stamp set all stamped out on some white cardstock with the sentiments that are part of this set. I just wanted to point out that there are coordinating dies for each of those sentiments in this stamp set, which is fantastic and really great for all of the different projects that you might want to be working on with this Sending Smooches stamp set. I'm going to share a bunch of really amazing cards that our team has created using this stamp set, Sending Smooches, along with a bunch of other products from this release and from past releases, just showing you how you can coordinate these products together to come up with some really fun cards. Lots of fantastic inspiration from the design team in the Sending Smooches release. Thank you so much for stopping by today to check out the Sending Smooches stamp set and coordinating die for the Sending Smooches release from Trinity Stamps. Have an amazing day, everybody, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.